I did this. Hey there, welcome to Hell of a Homestead. I'm back at the garden. I took some time off recording some videos because I just felt like I was just taking the gravel, bringing it back here, and it just wasn't very exciting. But the garden is almost done. It is fall now. I started in the spring. It's taken me quite a while to do all this, but we're almost done. Let's do this. It's pretty much what I do with everything else. I put this down on the path to try to stop the weeds from growing up. Who knows if it's gonna do anything? And then I put the rocks down. I should have enough rocks to do this path. And then to do the part back there. And we'll see where we go from there. All right, only like 4 or 5 more trips to go. We're like halfway through the garden now. I would say this is about the halfway point. So another 2 or 3 buckets and we should be good, hopefully. And then the plan is to put cardboard down on this part and then mulch up the leaves and then dump it on the cardboard so they don't fly away. And then the garden will be done. Pack this one a little bit more, so hopefully we'll be able to get further down. I just want to be done with the gravel. I've shoveled so much gravel. 2 yards of gravel is on this right now. I just can't wait to actually use the garden next year. You know, a lot of people ask, oh, what are you growing in there? Flowers? No. Vegetables? Why would I be growing flowers in a garden this big? Well, I guess, I mean, people like flowers, but I'm growing vegetables. I gave myself too much gravel in the bucket, but I finished the path. So, this is where the time capsule is going to be. My oldest daughter, who's 6, her time capsule is going to be right here. And then when my youngest daughter turns 6, hers will be right next to it. And if we have any more, it'll kind of just go down the line. But that is it. I mean, I would call this garden pretty much done. I just need to put the cardboard down and then mulch the leaves and put those down. And I got plenty of leaves to do that. But yeah, thank you for watching me build this. It's crazy to think that in the spring this was just all grass and now it's just a garden. The next video I put out will probably just be like a compilation of all the videos, and I'll tell how much I spent and all that fun stuff. But yeah, thanks for watching. It's gonna start to get cold out now, so I won't be outside. I did not have time to do the fence, but there will be another series of me putting a fence around this whole thing. So stay tuned for that. That'll probably be in the spring. But during the winter, I want to kind of maybe try to do some woodworking and maybe doing like a wood workshop down my basement. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what I have time to do. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.